Good morning students. In our previous video we have learned how to write a leave letter. In that we have learned why do we write a leave letter and how important it is to write a leave letter. That we have learned it. Now today we will learn another letter, that is write a letter to your class teacher or principal sir regarding the change of section. Is it clear children? So let us start. Now first we need to write the from address, which is called as the heading. So first we have to write the from address. So from address, who is writing? You are writing. So you will write your name. Okay, you will write your name. Then after that you will write your class or section. Then you will write which school it is. Okay. Then after that school you will write which place or the city. So first here what are you going to write? Here you will write your name. After name you will put a comma. Then after that you will write your class. Which class? And class 5 or 6 or whatever it is. Then the section. Okay. Then after that you will write school name. Okay. You will write school name. Then you will write the place, that is Hyderabad. Okay. So here after name comma, class and section comma, then school name comma, then Hyderabad full stop. And did you observe children, everything I am writing just towards this margin. Okay. So you need to write like this. Then after that you have to leave one line and write the date. Okay. Your date, that is 5th August or 6th August 2020. So date you will write. After date full stop. Then you need to leave another line and then you will write to address. Now to whom you are writing, whom you are requesting to change the section. So that is you will write it to your class teacher or even you can also write to your principal sir. So to, shall you write class teacher? To the class teacher. Then comma. So which class your class teacher is? That is whichever section you are, to that section she is the class teacher. 5th B. Okay. Then which name of the school? You have to write school name. Okay. Here also comma, then school name comma. Then what is the place? Hyderabad. Now after to address we need to write the subject. In subject, what should we write? We have to write change of section. Change of section. So when your teacher reads this letter, immediately she will see the subject. So in that she will come to know about what you are writing. So that is change of section. So that is your requirement. And then comes the greetings. That is the salutation. So if your class teacher is a sir, then you will write respected sir. And if your class teacher is ma'am, then you have to write respected ma'am. So this is the salutation. Respected ma'am. Then comes the comma. Then after this comes the body of the letter. So this body of the letter is divided into 3 different paragraphs. So now first paragraph, what you need to write. Okay, you have to write I am and your name, section. Then while you are writing this letter, what do you want? Okay, so I request you to change my section. So that will be your first paragraph. Okay, in the first paragraph you will write I am, name, class, section. I request you to change my section to whichever section you want, that section you have to write. So change of section to, if you are in B section. So if you want to go to A section, you write A, or if you want to go to C section, you have to write C section. So any one section you can mention here. Then comes another paragraph. So this is the second paragraph. First paragraph, it's over. In the second paragraph, you need to mention why you want to change your section. Okay, what is the purpose of changing the section? So why you want to change the section? Normally there will be different reasons. Okay, you may be having your close friend in the other section. So let us write like that. So Rohan or any one name of your friend you take. Okay, he is my close friend who is in section A. So you can also write how intimate you both are and how you do the work together. That you need to mention in the second paragraph. So how do you write? Rohan is my friend who is near to my house. Okay, and he is my childhood friend and we do the work together. And in my absence to the school, he explains the lessons to me and we complete the notes together, we learn the things together, and also we play together. And that you can write about your friend, and that is why you want to change the section. That you need to mention in the second paragraph. And finally comes the third paragraph. So in the third paragraph, it should be very polite conclusion. So how you will write? I request you to kindly change my section to A and I'll be very grateful to you if you change my section. So that you need to write in the final last conclusion. Then after that, you have to thank your teacher. That is thanking you. Okay. Then after thanking you, what you will write? Yours obediently. Okay. Y should be capital. Yours. No apostrophe anywhere. Y will be capital. Yours, and obediently O will be small letter. Obediently. Okay. Yours obediently. And your name you have to write. Your name, class, section, roll number. Is this clear, children? Now let us see another letter. That is, write a letter to your physical education teacher, that is PT sir, requesting him to give you a chance to participate in cricket team or any other game. So let us start that. So for first what you will write? From address, and your name you will write, your class, section, your school name, then the city, that is the Hyderabad. Then whichever date it is, that date you need to mention. Then after that date you have to leave one line. Then comes to. Then to whom you are writing? To the physical education teacher, that is PET sir. Then comes com. Okay, so he is of no class. Okay, so no need to write class. Then comes the school name. Then the city, that is Hyderabad. Then after that you need to leave one line. Then you have to write a subject. So what subject you will write? Request to give chance to participate in cricket. So here you can write cricket or any other game like shuttle, badminton, whatever it is you can write here. Then comes the salutation. So salutation, to whom you will write? To sir. So that is respected sir. Then comes comma. So after subject you have to leave one line. Then comes the salutation, that is or salutation or the greeting, that is respected sir. So then comes the body of the letter. So you all know that body of the letter should be written in 3 paragraphs. So now coming to the first paragraph. So in the first paragraph, what do you write? You mention what is your name, your details, which class, which section, and I request you to give me chance to participate in the game. Okay, that will be your first paragraph. Then comes the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, you need to inform PT sir, or you need to write saying that how many hours you practice the game and what are the awards you have won it and how interested you are, or whichever game you have participated before, that all the details you need to give in the next paragraph. That is about you, how well you play the game, that you need to write in the next paragraph. So after writing about that then finally the conclusion part. So your concluding part will be very, very polite. So you will write, I'll be very grateful to you sir if I get a chance to participate in the game, and I will surely bring laurel to the school. So that you need to write in the final concluding paragraph. Then after writing that, then comes thanking you. You have to thank your sir. That is thanking you. After thanking you, you need to put a full stop. And after thanking you, finally you will write yours sincerely, comma. So here yours, no apostrophe, nothing, Y capital, S small, and after sincerely, comma, your name, class, section, roll number, school, whatever the details that you need to write. Is it clear, children? Thank you.